If you're just starting out with video creation and feeling overwhelmed by editing, voiceovers, captions, and thumbnails, relax. You don't need expensive software or years of experience. There are seriously powerful free AI tools that can do the heavy lifting for you and help you produce content that actually looks like it was made by someone who knows what they're doing. Here are the 5 best, counted down from 5 to 1. Number 5. Clipchamp. If you're a Windows user, you might already have Clipchamp on your computer without even knowing it. It's a free browser-based video editor built into Windows 11 by Microsoft. And what makes it stand out for beginners are the AI features built right into the workflow. The AI Auto-Compose feature takes your raw clips and automatically assembles them into a structured video, analyzing your footage, picking the best moments, adding transitions, and putting everything together in a sequence that actually makes sense. If you've ever stared at a pile of clips not knowing what to cut or keep, this feature alone saves you hours of frustration. Clipchamp also includes an AI voiceover tool that converts any text you write into natural-sounding speech. This is perfect if you're camera shy, have a poor microphone, or can't record clean audio in your environment. You can choose from different voices and languages, and the output is convincing enough for most YouTube and social media content. Auto captions are also built in, so your videos get subtitles generated automatically, without you typing a single word. This matters because a huge percentage of people watch videos with the sound off, especially on social media. Add in a stock library of royalty-free music, footage, and templates, and Clipchamp is one of the most complete free tools for beginners. Number 4. CapCut. If you have spent any time scrolling through TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, chances are you have already watched countless videos edited with CapCut without even knowing it. Over the past few years, CapCut has become one of the most popular video editing tools in the world, especially among content creators who want professional-looking results without spending money on expensive software. What makes CapCut stand out is that it is available on mobile devices, desktop computers, and even through a web browser, giving creators the flexibility to edit from almost anywhere. One of CapCut's most useful AI-powered features is auto captions. Creating captions manually can take hours, but CapCut can automatically transcribe spoken words and generate perfectly synchronized subtitles in just a few seconds. Once the captions are created, users can easily customize the font, color, size, style, and animation to match their brand or video theme. The animated captions commonly seen in viral social media videos can be created with only a few clicks, making professional editing accessible even to complete beginners. Another powerful feature is AI background removal. Traditionally, removing a background required a green screen and advanced editing software. CapCut's AI can automatically detect the subject and separate them from the background, allowing creators to place themselves in different environments without expensive equipment. The platform also includes Smart Cut technology, which automatically detects pauses, silence, and unnecessary gaps in recordings. This can save creators a significant amount of editing time while helping videos maintain a faster and more engaging pace. For creators focused on short-form content, CapCut offers an impressive combination of simplicity, speed, and AI-powered tools. Whether you are creating TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, it provides nearly everything needed to produce high-quality content without spending a single dollar, making it one of the best free video editing solutions available today. Number 3. Descript changes the way you think about video editing entirely. Instead of scrubbing through a complicated timeline trying to find the right frame to cut, you edit your video by editing the transcript. Descript automatically transcribes everything spoken in your video, and then you simply delete or rearrange words in the text, and the video edits itself to match. For beginners who find traditional editing timelines intimidating and confusing, this approach is a genuine relief. The overdub feature lets you fix spoken mistakes without re-recording anything. If you said the wrong word, just type the correction in the transcript, and Descript generates a corrected audio clip in your own voice to replace it. The Remove Filler Words tool scans your entire transcript and automatically removes every and with one click. For new creators who haven't trained themselves to speak cleanly in front of a camera yet, This single feature can make your videos sound dramatically more polished with almost zero effort. Descript also includes a screen recorder that transcribes as you record, so your edit-ready transcript is available the moment you stop recording, perfect for tutorials and educational content. Number 2. Canva AI. Most people already know Canva as a design platform, but beginners massively underestimate how many AI features are available on the free plan and how much they can do for the visual quality of your video content. Thumbnails are where so many new YouTubers struggle, and the reality is that your thumbnail is often the single biggest factor in whether someone clicks on your video or scrolls past it. Canva gives you access to thousands of professionally designed YouTube thumbnail templates that you can customize in minutes without any graphic design experience. The Magic Resize tool instantly adapts any design you've built to the right dimensions for any platform: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, you name it, without starting over from scratch. Magic Write, the AI text generator inside Canva, helps you brainstorm punchy titles and thumbnail copy when you're stuck on what to say. On the free plan, you also get a monthly allocation of AI image generations, so you can create completely unique visual elements without worrying about stock photo licensing. The whole interface is drag and drop. The learning curve is almost nothing, and you can go from a blank canvas to a professional-looking thumbnail in under 10 minutes, even if you've never designed anything in your life. Number 1. ElevenLabs. And taking the number 1 spot is ElevenLabs. If you haven't heard of this yet, pay close attention, because this tool is genuinely on another level compared to everything else on this list. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generation platform that produces the most realistic, natural-sounding synthetic voices available anywhere right now. And the free plan is legitimately useful. Not a watered-down preview that forces you to upgrade after 30 seconds. The core use case for video creators is voiceovers. Whether you're making documentary-style content, explainer videos, tutorials, or running a faceless YouTube channel, ElevenLabs delivers clear and professional-sounding narration without you needing an expensive microphone or a recording studio. The voices have natural breathing patterns, proper emphasis on key words, and emotional variation that sounds nothing like the robotic text-to-speech tools of the past. On the free plan, you get a monthly character allocation, a selection of voices covering different genders, accents, and styles, and the ability to adjust emotional tone for different segments. There's also a basic voice cloning feature that can create an AI version of your own voice from a short audio sample, meaning you can generate voiceovers in your own voice, even when you can't sit down to record. For any beginner serious about building a video channel in 2024 and beyond, ElevenLabs is without question the single most impactful free tool you can add to your workflow today. And that's a wrap on the 5 best free AI tools for beginner video creators. To quickly recap, ElevenLabs at number 1 for studio quality voiceovers, Canva AI at number 2 for professional thumbnails and graphics, Descript at number 3 for text-based editing and filler word removal, CapCut at number 4 for short-form content and AI captions, and Clipchamp at number 5 for all-in-one beginner-friendly editing. You don't need to start using all 5 at once. Pick the 1 or 2 that solve your biggest current bottleneck and build your workflow from there. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe so you never miss a video, and let me know in the comments which tool you're going to try first. See you in the next one.